Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel The Tech Learning. I am your friend Mohammed Soeb and today I am going to start with Nebosh IG2 Part 2. So in previous video I have already discussed about IG2 Part 1. So let's start the session. In IG2 Part 2 report you will going to identify 12 hazards from 7 different categories. That's it. Okay. What you will going to do in Part 2 in your IG2 report? So you will going to identify 12 hazards from 7 different hazard category. Okay. Now you guys don't confuse. In actual Nebosh demand minimum 10 hazards from 5 different category. But I was suggesting to you choose 12 hazards from 7 different category. That's it. Now guys please watch previous video. That is IG2 part 1. So let's come back to topic. How many hazard category we have? We have 7 hazard categories. 7. How much? 7. 5 to 11. This one. Okay. How many hazard I want? 12 hazards. Okay. Suppose if I identify 2 hazard in each category, then what will happen? Exactly 14. Okay. But how many I want? I want 12 hazards only. But in actual Nebosh wants minimum 10 hazards from 5 different category. But what did I tell you? If you have only 10 hazard and 1 hazard is disqualified, then what will happen? You will have left only 9 hazard, so you will be automatically fail. That's why I tell you how many hazard? Exactly 12. Hope clear till now. Now in this hazard, see the table. Here lot of hazard in 7 different category. But guys, if you notice here in this table, see element number 5, here lot of hazards. Here see, noise is available, vibration is available, radiation is available, mental ill health is available. Lot of hazard is here available. Similarly in element number 7, many hazards. So guys, listen carefully. How many hazards we want? We want 12 hazards from 7 different category. So we will touch each and every 7 different hazard category. That's it. So we have 7 different hazard category and I want only 12 hazards. So look here in element number 5 to 9 consist lot of hazard category here. 5 to 11 here lot of hazard category. So we have choose 2 hazards from each category, which is element number 5 to 9. So we have reached 10 hazard now. Here we have touched each and every element. So rest from element number 10 and 11 choose 1 hazard from each category. So we have number 12 reached. Good, we reached. Guys, as per my guidance, you have choose maximum 2 hazard in one category and minimum 1 hazard in one category. That's it. Now someone of you ask, Swab, I am an electrical engineer. What should I do? Boss, you can choose 2 hazard in electricity. No problem, sir. You can choose. Go ahead, boss. But only one thing in keep in your mind, touching each and every category. That is element number 5 to 11. That's it. Someone of you said that, sir, मैं तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या फायर में मास्टर हूँ, तो सर मैं इस कैटेगरी से 3-4 लिख लूँगा, बाकी से 1-1 या 2-2 लिख लूँगा. सर प्रणाम करता हूँ आपको. But don't do that, please. It's my humble request. Guys, wait. I show you why I suggesting to you touching each and every category. See what I write here in case 1. I have choose from element number 5 2 hazards, element number 6 2 hazards, element number 7 2 hazards, element number 8 2 hazards, element number 9 1 hazard, element number 10 2 hazards, element number 11 1 hazard. So you have 12 hazard and touch all 7 different category. Now see case 2. I show you. You have choose in element number 5 3 hazards, element number 6 3 hazard, element number 7 1 hazards, and element number 8 3 hazards, element number 9 2 hazards. Here you have choose 12 hazards from 5 different category. Okay, suppose your element number 7 hazard disqualified, so you will have remaining 11 hazards from 4 different category, so you will automatically fail now. But if you choose 12 hazards from 7 different category and 1 or 2 hazards disqualified, but still you will safer zone now. That's why I suggesting to you 12 hazards from 7 different category. Guys, I want foolproof passing method, no shortcut method. Guys, another important thing, you cannot use repetitive hazard. Okay, your hazard cannot be repetitive. For example, if I write about element number 10 fire, so one I will write about hot work activity, another should be cold work activity or unsafe storage of flammable store area. Got it? Okay. Same as C, element number 7. Here also not write 2 hazard from one category like 2 biological or 2 chemical. Okay. You should write 1 hazard of chemical, then other should be one from biological. That is logic. Okay. So guys, you think why I am telling you like that? So guys, I don't want you will expert in a specific area. I want you will expert in all, and I want you know all about. That's it. Here in part 2, we can see here 6 column, this 6 column, and you will fill up 6 column for all 12 hazards. So now come in column number first, hazard and hazard category. So are you ready for column number 1? So I give you an example for column number 1. Okay. Manual handling, the worker lifting cement bag at the work site. Guys, here I am writing the hazard category and hazards. So what is the hazard and hazard category here? I am just writing activity here, only write hazard and hazard category. I am not writing here any safe, unsafe condition or act. I just write activity. Wait, I give you another example. Fire, the arc welding used to weld for many activity on work site. So what is hazard and hazard category? And I just write here activity. That's it. And guys, one thing show you what is common mistake occurring from student. Here see. Electrical, use of electrical drill machine in drilling the hole. Guys, did you notice here? I do small mistake. In table C, not mention anywhere the electrical. Here mention is electricity. So hazard category should be same as given the table. Wait, I show you another example. Work at height. So guys, it is right? No, because in table mention working at height. So you should write exactly what is given in this table. Hope you understand. Another important point. Guys, excavation not mentioned in table. So instead of excavation, use confined space. It is mentioned in table. Here, see confined space. See confined space. So instead of excavation, you can use confined space. Okay. So now column number 1 is done. Now I have moved on column number 2. Who might be harmed and how? So guys, here write who will be harmed. So you ever feel who will be harmed mentioned here? For example, worker, supervisor, contractor, visitor. And please do not write same in everywhere, employee, contractor, supervisor, visitor. Okay. First thing, who will be harmed in a specific hazard, then write, for example, noise category, operator, employee, contractor, and also general public. And now come how they will be harm. Now here you will be write unsafe act and unsafe activity. For example, I show you. The worker lifting cement bag with bad body posture, that is they use the head and their shoulders, can be lead to short-term or permanent injury, result in tendon and ligament injury, hernia, back injury, work-related upper limb disorder. And here mention all medical term, not right back pain, hand pain, leg pain, all should be in medical term. Hope column number 2 is done. Now move in column number 3. So guys, column number 3 and column number 4 interrelative. So column number 3 is existing control measure, or we can say that your company already is using that control measure. This is right in column number 3. But in column number 4 is additional control measure suggesting by you, or we can say that next level control measure or improve your safety measure. Suppose your industry column number 3 is not sufficient or not properly control the hazards, then you will suggest to your company to additional control measure, that is column number 4. Identify new control measure, that's it. Hope column number 3 and column number 4 is clear to all. If have any doubt, please comment, I will reply you. Now about column number 3 and column number 4, important thing, that is need Nebosh. If your company list concern about safety, then you will get very less existing control measure, which is column number 3. Then you will suggest more additional control in column number 4. Okay, if your company very serious about safety, then lot of existing control measure available in column number 3. So you will give very less control measure in column number 4. Both are possible because both are realistic. So guys, keep in mind, if less in column number 3, then more in column number 4, vice versa. Okay, if existing control is more, then additional control should be less. Existing control less, then additional control measures should be more. That's it guys. But don't write NA, not applicable. Please don't do that. Now guys, you can answer how many control need to be right in column number 3 and column number 4. Boss, let me finish this confusion too. In column number 3 and column number 4 should be minimum 6 and maximum 12 control measure. For example, if you have in column number 3 4 control measure, then you should write minimum 2 control in column number 4 and maximum 8 control measure. That's it. See other example. If you have in column number 3 5 control measure, then you should write minimum 1 and maximum 7 in column number 4. Guys, did you get logic now? Always mention 3 plus. Column number 3 and column number 4 should be in between 6 to 12 control measure. That's it. Now I will tell you what control measure put in column number 3. So in column number 3 write simple control, petty control, that's it. For example, provide daily toolbox, weekly induction training provided, provide PPEs. Okay guys, did you notice in column number 3 I use past tense? Did you see? Because control measure are already available, existing already. Okay, hope clear column number 3. So move on column number 4. Guys, in column number 4 you should follow the general hierarchy of control, but in column number 3 no need to follow this. Guys, do you know now general hierarchy method? This is elimination, reduction, technical control, administrative control, PPs. There this order need to follow for column number 4, which this one. This is the column number 4. Now you can ask me, Soeb, I did not think any elimination control for this particular hazard. Boss, you can go next, which is reduction. So someone of you guys ask me, sir, still I did not getting any reduction control for that hazard. So guys, you can move next, which is technical control. So conclusion is the above. You should not go to directly PPH. You should go step by step and follow hierarchy in order. Okay. You can write more than one technical control or administrative control or elimination. No problem. But guys, don't write providing an installation or inspection and training, because both are two controls. So do not need to merge. Guys, got it? Now move on column number 5, time scale. According to Nebosh guideline, you should write time scale minimum 1 week. Okay. Do not use 6 day, 3 day, 1 day, immediate. One thing always keep in your mind, not use weekly, monthly, daily. You should mention clearly 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 3 month, 10 days, 15 days. Okay. Guys, please do not everywhere copy paste 1 month, 1 month or 1 week, 1 week. Please don't do. It can be repetitive, but not everywhere write 1 month, 1 month. You think and then write. Okay. For example, for PPs, 1 week, okay, time scale. But for any technical control use, you can choose between 1 week to 4 to 5 months. Now move column number 6, responsible persons, job for job title. Okay. Who is the responsible person for implementing the control action given in column number 4? Okay, this. So column number 4 and column number 6 here is interrelative. Okay. So who will be responsible person for implement the control action in column number 4? Just write designation, that's it. That supervisor, purchase manager, manager, transport manager. You think who will be responsible and write it. So this is your part 2 done. So in next video I will discuss with your IG2 report part 3. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe.